Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your history on Netflix. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Netflix application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and enter your email address and your password to log into your account. After logging in, choose your profile from the Who's Watching screen. And then you will be taken into your home page from which you can directly start enjoying various different kinds of shows. Now, if you wish to erase your Netflix history, then tap on the profile icon at the top right corner, and from the profile page, tap on My List. This will now show you all of the movies and shows that you have added to your list. Now, this list will also contain the various shows that you have started watching within the Started option. Now, if you wish to delete them, tap on the edit icon at the top right corner, and then you can tap on the trash can icon, which will delete these shows from your Netflix account. You can tap on the undo button if you deleted any of these by mistake, and they will pop back into your watch history. You can browse through the various categories and then remove your history based on your preference. Now, you will also be able to find the shows that you have not watched completely within the home page underneath the continue watching section. You can tap on the three dots alongside each show and then tap on remove from row, and this will remove the show from your continue watching history as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your history on Netflix. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.